Even the most advanced smartphones can suffer from lag or slow performance over time. This issue can be frustrating, as it can impact the phone's ability to perform basic functions, such as opening apps or making calls. In this video, we will provide a solution to the common issue of a Samsung Galaxy S21 becoming extremely laggy. We will guide you through the steps to effectively resolve slow performance and bring your device back to its optimal state. First solution: close apps running in the background. When an app runs in the background, it continues to consume system resources, such as memory, CPU, and battery life. Over time, the accumulation of these background processes can put a strain on the phone's resources, leading to slow performance and lag. So the first thing you have to do is to close them. To do that, tap on the Recent Apps key to display the apps that are still running. Tap Close All to stop them all at once. After that, observe closely to know if your Galaxy S21 is still lagging or freezing. Second solution: restart your phone. When a phone is restarted, it closes all running apps and processes, freeing up memory and system resources. This helps to reduce the strain on the phone's resources and improve performance. To restart your S21, swipe down from the top of the screen with 2 fingers, and then tap the power icon. Select Restart, and then confirm it. Now wait for your phone to finish rebooting and then try again to see if the problem is fixed. Third solution: check for available storage. A full internal memory can lead to slow performance as the phone struggles to access necessary files and apps. So open the Settings app and go to Battery and Device Care. Select Storage and then check to see if it's almost full. If necessary, delete some of your files, pictures and videos. You might even need to uninstall apps you don't use anymore just to free up some space. However, if your phone still has enough storage but continues to lag, then try the next solution. Fourth solution: reset all the settings. Resetting all settings on a smartphone can help resolve lag because it resets the configuration and custom settings of the phone back to its factory defaults. This process can help resolve issues caused by incorrect or conflicting settings, such as compatibility issues between apps, misconfigured network settings, or outdated system configurations. To reset the settings of your device, follow these steps. Open the Settings app on your phone, then find and tap General Management. Scroll down to access Reset Options, and tap Reset All Settings. Confirm by tapping Reset Settings, and enter your security lock if prompted. Finally, tap Reset. Your phone will reboot after the reset, but in most cases, this will fix the lags and freezes you're experiencing. We hope that this troubleshooting guide can help you. Thanks for watching.